Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is xoxo. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys here. For today's video, I'm super excited because I had a really exciting package come into the mail today. I bought these shampoo set and conditioner off of Amazon. It is the Eva NYC shampoo. I have been wanting to try out the shampoo for a very long time and I wanted to buy it off the website, but they don't ship to Canada, which sucks. So I decided to buy it off of Amazon and I got this one. It is the Main Magic 10-in-1 shampoo. I have been dying to try out this brand and specifically the 10-in-1 Magic shampoo. And then I also got the hair mask, this big jug right here, so I'm super excited. It came in this morning and right on time because I have to wash my hair. It is disgusting, it's super oily, it's a mess, it needs some major TLC, and I figured that I was gonna film myself using them for the first time so I can give you guys a little bit of a first impressions and review on the product and what I thought about it. I really hope I like it because I've been wanting to try it out, and I actually found out about this brand through Delaney Childs. She is awesome. Her hair, it always looks on point, on fleek. It always looks so good, and she raves about this shampoo. And she has like blonde hair. She dyes it, so I know that it's safe to use on colored hair because her hair color always looks so nice. So I figured that I'd finally give it a chance. It wasn't so bad. I have Amazon Prime, so it came in the next day. So I was like super excited because I really have to wash my hair, and came on the most perfect day. So this is it. This is the shampoo. This is the conditioner. The bottles are like super cute. I really like this like pink faded sort of purpley ombre color on the bottles. I think that's super cute. They also smell so yummy. Oh, I spilled some, but it smells really nice. It has like a nice soft sort of like floral, I want to say, scent to it. It's really nice. It's not like overpowering, it's not too much, so I'm really excited to try it. The 10-in-1 conditioner and shampoo, they target 10 areas, so it helps moisturize, 1, reduce frizz, strengthens, softens, revitalizes, nourishes, reduces breakage, smooths, increases manageability, and leaves it looking healthy and feeling healthy. So that's everything that I need because I have to sneeze. Okay, I think it went away. Yeah, I definitely need that. I've been growing on my hair. I haven't really cut it, and I actually haven't cut it since the video I made cutting my bangs, and my ends are feeling pretty dry, and I don't want to cut it. I kind of want to grow my hair as long as possible. I don't want to get it even trimmed right now. So I need to find some products that are going to help because it's feeling a little bit crunchy, and I hate when my hair feels like that. I do love the shampoo that I'm using right now, but I've been just dying to try this one out. So I'm so excited to try out, and I'm really excited to take a shower because I really want to wash my hair with this new shampoo. It smells divine. It smells so good. So let's go take a shower. Hey guys, so I'm in my shower and I'm about to use these products. Really hope that they come through and they really help to target everything that I'm looking for, because I just want my hair to feel soft, smell good, look healthy, feel healthy, so that I don't have to cut it. So let's really hope that these work like they claim they do. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so first I'm going in with the Eva NYC 10-in-1 shampoo. I put about this much on my palm, rubbed it really well together, and then I started massaging that into my scalp. The first time I found that it wasn't foaming up enough, there wasn't enough sud, and I just figured it was because my hair was super oily. And I find that with most shampoos, it usually doesn't foam up too much the first time around, so I decided to just continue to massage that into my scalp very vigorously as so. And I find that it didn't dry my hair out either, which I really loved. Then here I am going in with my round 2 of shampoo, and I'm massaging it into between my palms again, and then as you can see, it definitely foamed up a lot more because The first time I was really just getting rid of all of the dirt and the oil, and then the second time I was really doing that deep clean. And here I'm having my Easy A moment. Love that movie. But anyways, I really went in there and foamed it right up, which I loved, and made my hair feel so clean and fresh. And then next I'm going in with the conditioner. So here I'm rubbing the conditioner between my hands and then running it through the ends of my hair, really focusing on there. I found that the conditioner was super rich, super creamy, and it was automatically making my hair feel like butter, so I knew it was doing its thing. I then ran the rest of it into my scalp, and I just like to massage away, give myself a little TLC. I really felt it working, and then I decided once I was done with that, I rinsed it out, and then I was just wringing out the excess water from my hair so that I could go in and apply the hair mask. Now the hair mask is also super rich in texture, really thick, really creamy, so I really went in there and generously applied that all over my hair, again focusing on the ends, and then I worked my way up into my scalp and massaged that right in. This made my hair feel even extra soft. I then pinned it up with a hair clip while I did everything else in the shower. And then lastly, I rinsed it all out, and as I was rinsing it out, my hair felt so soft. Like, it literally felt like I didn't even have to comb it through, because as I was rinsing it out, I could just feel my hair detangling itself. So I knew that the mask was definitely doing its thing. So I'm out of the shower, I put some makeup on and got dressed. I had to run out to pick up my sis from the nail salon because the girl doesn't have her own car or her license yet. So sister duties, and I had to go pick her up. So I just threw my wet hair in this hair clip. I haven't touched it yet since I washed it. So all I've put in my hair is the shampoo, conditioner, and the hair mask, and then I threw it up. But I have to say that so far, even if I haven't touched it, haven't taken it out of this crazy bun that I have right now, I feel like the shampoo is doing its thing, because like my curls are not even looking frizzy. My hair is starting to dry up a little bit and it looks healthy. It's like bringing out like my natural curl without looking too frizzy. So I'm just gonna take it out now and see how it looks. Okay, so it feels soft. It smells nice. Look, like even the ends here that are drying, as you can see here, to me, they look like they're drying up, but they don't look frizzy, they don't look damaged, it looks healthy. So we're gonna comb through all of this hair. Okay, so I'm done combing it through. So this is what my hair looks like right now. It's still kind of wet, it's a little bit damp, but the ends are starting to dry up, and what I'm noticing is that my hair feels soft. So I'm really happy about that, because that's what I wanted. I wanted my hair to feel soft after washing it, especially after using a hair mask. I was using this other hair mask before, and for some reason, even though the hair mask was like a super quench moisture mask, or at least that's what it claims to be, my hair felt dry after using it. And I'm like the number one thing that I definitely wanted from this hair mask is for my hair to feel soft after using it, and it definitely feels a lot softer than it felt before showering. So I feel like it's a lot more hydrated. There's like some shine there, so I'm really happy about that, and that's just from washing it. So I'm gonna blow dry it now. I'm going to straighten it, and then we'll see how it looks once my hair is styled. So I'm done blow drying it, and this is what it looks like blow dried. There's shine, it's smooth, it's not too frizzy. This is like, for me, this looks pretty good after blow drying my hair. I know I'm working with some good product when I'm able to blow dry my hair without it looking like a massive frizz ball. So for me, that is a big plus. It's still volume in my hair while giving it a nice shine, manageability, and a pretty natural bounce, to the hair. So I'm just gonna straighten this, and then we'll see what it looks like when it's all straightened. So I've straightened my hair. This is the official finished look. So I'm super happy with these products. I really have nothing negative to say about them. They really did meet my expectations of them. So we're going to talk a little bit about the shampoo and conditioner. So for starters, I absolutely love the packaging. It's super cute, and it also smells it smells really good. So I also love a shampoo that's going to make your hair smell really nice. I really like the fact that these are sulfate free, toxins free. They don't have any parabens in them, so that is also a plus in my books. One of the main things that I absolutely loved about this shampoo is the fact that it made my hair feel super soft after using it, and it did not ruin the color that I have currently in my hair. That is a big thing. I want a shampoo that's going to be able to deliver with moisture and hydrate my strands, but not, you know, strip the natural color, but strip away the highlights that I have in my hair. So my highlights still look intact. It didn't strip away the color. So I'm really happy about that, especially because they do claim to be safe for colored, keratin, and Brazilian treated hair. This one definitely foamed up for me, which was really nice because I always feel like I'm getting a good clean when there's a lot of soot and the hair foams up a lot. So that was really nice. And I also felt like when I was massaging the shampoo into my hair, it wasn't creating tangles. It wasn't like feeling really dry. It's some shampoos that I've tried, when I start to lather the shampoo into my wet hair, it gets really knotted and it starts to feel like super dry already, and it just makes it really hard to manage when I'm in the shower. So definitely really enjoyed that about this shampoo. The conditioner is really nice. It's thick and rich in consistency, as well as the shampoo. Moisturizing my hair when I was in there. I only had it in for a little bit. I massaged it into my hair for about a minute or two, and then I rinsed it out and I went in with the hair mask. Now, in terms of the hair mask, one of the main things that I noticed right away that I absolutely love was the size of this jug. You're definitely getting a lot of product for the price that you are paying. This is not a super expensive brand, which is another great plus. I've tried a lot of shampoos in my time, and I find that a lot of the really expensive ones sometimes come in like a super small packaging, and they say it's because you own a little bit goes a long way. But I found that this hair mask was really nice, and I have a lot to work with, so this should last me a really long time. You can use it says 1 to 2 times a week, I think. Let's see, apply to hair. It doesn't say on the bottle, but I'm sure it says on the website. But I usually typically wash my hair 1 to 2 times a week, so I'll definitely be using this in conjunction with my conditioner 1 to 2 times a week, depending on how much I wash my hair that week. But this mask claims to deeply condition, repair, strengthen, and dry damaged hair, which is exactly what I need, because definitely my hair is damaged from chemically dyeing it, and it's very, very rich in texture, very thick mask, as you can see. Another thing that I want to mention is that after using all of this, when my hair was still wet, it was pretty easy to manage, so that's always a plus. It wasn't too hard to tangle through, to comb through and get through the tangles after washing it, so that was really nice. And my hair already looked shiny. As you can see, my hair looks shiny, it looks healthy, and it was feeling super dry before washing it, so it definitely helped to reboost my hair with some much needed moisture. It definitely helped to hydrate my hair. My hair also looks really smooth, so I'm really happy about that, because that's one of the 10 benefits that the shampoo claims to target, which is to help to smooth it and nourish it and help to reduce frizz. And as you can see just by looking at it right now, there's very little to no frizz. It looks smooth, it looks healthy, it looks shiny, it feels really good, it feels soft, and it feels healthy, and it just looks revived. The only con that I could possibly think of right now, and that is more if you have, say, thinner hair, is if you have like more fine hair, since the shampoo is really thick and really rich, and it's also one of these shampoos, as I'll show you what it looks like. So It's not like super transparent, and even when I'm like was lathering it in between my hands, it felt almost like it was getting like thicker between my hands. Almost kind of felt like a conditioner rather than a shampoo. I had to like double take to make sure I was actually applying the shampoo first. So if you have fine hair, it might be a little bit too heavy for your hair. It could weigh it down. That's probably the only con. Here it says for normal to dry hair types. So I would definitely say this is a really good shampoo if you have dry, thick hair. If your hair is not that dry and if it's not too thick, it could just be a little bit too much of a heavy shampoo for your hair. So some of the ingredients that the shampoo and conditioner contain are cardamom oil, argan oil, sunflower seed oil. It has I believe some rice water in here as well, or rice bran extract. I know that there's a lot of great benefits in rice water as well. And then it also has an ingredient called Caraves TM. So there's just some really good nutrients, some really good ingredients in these shampoo bottles. And they're definitely doing its thing, as you can see. So I would highly recommend Eva NYC. I don't regret buying it. I'm actually really happy with it, and I cannot wait to wash my hair again using these products, especially my hair mask. I was in dire need of a really good hair mask, so I'm really happy about this. I think that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. One more thing, I'll make sure to leave everything linked down below of where you can find the shampoo. Also, we'll leave it here, right here, letting you guys know how much it is on the website, how much I got it for on Amazon, and then I also leave it linked down below in the description box in case you guys are wondering how much these shampoo bottles cost. But anyhow, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys!